So my wife comes over and says, "Hey babe, car's making some weird noise in the back. Can you please check it out, see what's going on?" And sure enough, it was the brakes. Who knows how long this thing's been making that weird noise. But anyways, I didn't have the tools, so I had to do a quick stop at Harbor Freight and got some of those tools. I think I spent about $45. To release these caps. Very easy. I already took that other one out. And you need a 7 Allen wrench. And I'm sorry for the camera movement, but as you can see, I'm recording with one hand, and the other hand I'm trying to do the job. There you go. Next one. There you go. And once you have loosened them up, you can do it by hand. They're not too tight, so pretty easy. They come out easy once it's loose. You just push that one, and it should come right out. There you go. Let's clean those up. I'm pretty sure you can do this by hand too, but go ahead and use a screwdriver, make it easy on you. And once you take the spring out, the caliper should come out pretty easy. You know, just pull it up. Just be careful with the holes on the side. And holy moly, I think I know why it's making some noise. Hey wifey, come take a look at this. I think this is why your car was making that weird noise you were talking about. I think it's gonna need new brakes. And you gotta unplug this. That's why you need the little screwdriver. Then again, you don't really need some of this stuff, but you know, it just makes the job a lot easier. So you know, I used 2 screwdrivers there, one to push those pins and the other one to slide it out, and it makes it a little hard when you're trying to record one hand and do the job with the other one, but it's very easy and simple to do if you do it with both hands, of course. Gotcha. Told you it was easy. Alright, so now we're gonna flip it around. Try to hang it, use a hanger or something. I was using wait, I was not using anything here. But I had the mallet, the one I used for the papers, I had it right there on the side, and yeah, it came handy. And that's you need a 5, yes, it's a 5 hex bit. Or a 5 Allen wrench, whatever you want to call it. And once that thing comes out the top, you're gonna need a 12 impact start socket there. And this thing, this next step, you can also do it by hand. Like I said, a lot of these things are not really needed, but it just makes the job easier. But you can even do this by hand. Remember, you gotta go righty tighty, clockwise. And if you're turning it and the piston keeps going out, that means you're going the wrong way. You gotta turn around and go the other way. And now it's time to start putting things back the reverse way. And for some reason you cannot, this thing doesn't want to go in, just move it by hand, twist it a little bit to your left. And sometimes it takes a couple of tries, 1-2 tries, but it should go really easy. Don't force it. If you need to move the bolt a couple of times, go ahead and do it. But once it's aligned, it should go fairly easy. There you go. You can see it right there. You just need to find the right spot. And same thing, now you got to go to the right. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Time to start tightening up everything. And now it's time to push that piston back. And I use that cheap stuff from Pittsburgh, from Harbor Freight, the disc brake piston pad compressor. If you do everything right, it shouldn't have a problem pushing the piston back. If for some reason it gives you a hard time, then that means there's definitely something wrong with the master cylinder or the piston or any of that stuff, because this stuff should go back with no problems whatsoever. And yeah, I think I only paid like $9 for this part, and I think Walmart has even a cheaper one. So anyways, some people do it. I've seen people doing it with just some pliers. And the next step is to put the brake pads in. Remember, this video is for the brake pads and not the disc brakes, or rotors. But if you want me to make a video about that, removing the disc brakes, putting some new ones, let me know. Leave a comment, and we'll do that. We'll make a video about that. But as you can see, everything is going back fairly easy. Like I said, if you follow these steps, you'll be done in no time. I think it took me 15 minutes. And I'm not a mechanic. I don't know how to work on cars. So 15 minutes maybe for each side. It's not too bad. Half hour. So yeah, obviously if you're a mechanic, you know what you're doing. I'm assuming probably 5-10 minutes at the most. And once you're done putting, greasing up and cleaning them up, all the stuff, you just put them back. And that's pretty much it. That's all you got to do. Obviously, put the tires back on and all the stuff. Test it before your wife starts driving it. Make sure the brakes are working good. And hopefully next time she lets me know sooner, that the brakes were making a weird noise. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, give it a like or a no like. Anything is good. So YouTube keeps pushing the videos up. We're trying to get to 600-700 subscribers by the end of the year, and hopefully next year we'll hit 1,000. I know it's a long way to go, but thank you for all of you who've been watching my videos. Thank you for all of you who have subscribed. I really appreciate that. It means a lot. And we'll see you on the next one.